Hello guys, this is the day 2 of our avocado. This is the second day and I have a one glass here. Let's drink now. This is my second day. Come on, join me to drink this one, please. This is my second day, guys, to drink this one avocado. I have preparing for this second day. By the way, guys, this is my vlog, small vlog. This is guys, you drink, actually, I drink this one. I don't have anything to eat. Kaya wala akong kinain. Actually, ito pa lang yung iinumin ko ngayon. Wala pang laman yung tiyan ko. Ito na. Mm, bye. It's good.